Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. Kindly stay muted. Nikhilaj, if you can mute those who are unable to mute themselves. Om. Om. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram. यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ईश्वरः परमः कृष्णः सैर्गोविन्दः सर्वकारणकारणं कृष्णं नारायणं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे व्रजप्रियं कृष्णं द्वैपायनं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे प्रथासुतं सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। रमापतिपदाम्भोजपरिस्फुरति मानसम् सेनापतिमहं वन्दे विश्वक्सेनं निरन्तरम् प्रह्लादनारद पराशर पुण्डरीक व्यासम्बरीश शुक शौनक भीष्मदाल्भ्यान् रुक्माङ्गदार्जुन वसिष्ठ विभीषणादीन् पुण्यानि मान् परमभागवतान् स्मरामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतः चार्थेष्वभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदायादिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयः यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकम् सत्यं परं धीमहि धर्मः प्रोज्झितकैतवोऽत्र परमः निर्मत्सराणां सताम् वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम् श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यते कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिस्तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयम् मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि यस्मानुभावमखिलश्रुतिसारमेकतान्तमोऽन्धं संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुमुपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। नमः पङ्कजनाभाय, नमः पङ्कजमालिने, नमः पङ्कजनेत्राय, नमस्ते पङ्कजाङ्घ्रये। यस्य भगवताख्या सर्वेषां भक्तिदानृणां सेव करुणा सिन्धुः। तस्मै श्रीवासुदेवाय धरणीसुररूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय तुभ्यं श्रीगुरुवे शङ्खचक्रगदा पद्मधारिणे गुरुरूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय वासुदेवाय ते नमः। संसारसागरे मग्नं दीनमां करुणानिधे कर्मग्राहगृहीताङ्गं मामुद्धर भवार्णवात्। श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्षः कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे। मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यः। दासोऽहं तव केशव शुकरूपप्रबोधज्ञ सर्वशास्त्रविशारद। एतत्कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशय। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खं कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Srimad Bhagavat session. On 7th, we had a session, and we said on 14th, whether we'll have it or not, we will see. But on 21st, definitely it will be there. And by His grace, on today's session, on today's day, we are able to have our session. Completely His grace. All with your prayers and all with your well wishes. The Mahakumbh, definitely I could do. It wasn't possible if all of you didn't pray for that, because it was quite a tedious way in a certain aspect and very smooth in so many aspects. So the thing was, we did all the journey by road. Like, okay, from Kerala, halfway through till Bombay was a flight, but thereafter, complete road. It's about 1,600 kilometers. And on the way, about 250 kilometers away from Prayag, I'd faced the first obstruction. You wouldn't believe, it was like on the highway to Prayag, it's like every Indian is going for some marriage, and there is like some big function is happening at our house. It's like that feeling, because all vehicles that are going, the way the flags are put, whether it's an orange flag or where the slogan, or whether the things they were carrying, even gas stove and cylinders, and then so many people. So it's not even 300 kilometers. It's like even before that, the roads going towards the front. So like now I did 3 states, like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and then UP. I'm not counting Kerala. So the drive through. So in Maharashtra, so UP is still far away, okay, but still the road which is that highway that would take, you could literally see on the opposite side there are hardly vehicles coming, and you, from the vehicle you could see the amount of people are there into it, and the way they are going, it's like, and you are not feeling anything about the journey. It's not a joke. On any ordinary day, we would definitely feel so bad about that and so tired about it. So this was excellent. So even after driving 700-800 kilometers at a stretch in a day, there is no tiredness at all, except 250 kilometers away. So how they were controlling how many vehicles get into Prayagraj was like even 300 kilometers away at the toll booth, they only had the control. So they would delay that, thus we learned later. So my first traffic block about 4 hours, 6 hours was on that. And we were thinking, hmm. And mentally, the preparation is there. No, you're going to see for a Mahakumbh means where so many crores of people are there. So mentally, we were prepared. And so, oh, so over here it is like this means what to expect over there. We know, and that stampede thing was there in the mind and all, but it was all negative publicity. This, but on by waiting over there, still upset is not happening. But okay, 6 hours now only, but we have still 250 kilometers to go. So, what is going to be the scene after that? Like that. That's the only one, uh, I won't say difficulty, but there was some joy also in that waiting that it's happening and we are going no matter what. Then, once we reached a place 100 kilometers away called as Reva, and in that Reva, we that night we stayed put ourselves. And thinking that next early morning we are going to go. Then what happened? All the news spread. 100 kilometers area barricades have put no Mahakumbha Darshan because the crowd is too much. So we thought 250 kilometers away, how much we waited in the traffic. So how much it would be at Prayag, and now we can't go because they have barricaded and we can't enter. And even the hotel person and all they were saying, I mean, even if you go with a great zeal, after 25 kilometers, you will have to return back because that barricade is there and nobody is allowed because it's an overwhelming crowd. And because of that stampede, now they are controlling this and that. So whether it is truth or whether it's a rumor, um, we had no clue. And now that means we have to go back. So now going all the way there, that it's a horror. You go there and you are 100 kilometers away, and they say now after this point, we have stopped all the entries for whatever hours or days or weeks or God alone knows to control. And now we have gone on a limited. So and on the way there is no hotel reservations. Every hotel is full. So even in Maharashtra onwards, you can see the restaurants are loaded with people. Things are finishing. It's like God alone knows so many people, so many people. Then now this horror has struck, first horror that Kumbh is done. We cannot, we have to return back. So also upset, heartbroken, and no mood. And we have to get up and go. Then something happened. My bhabi, my brother, they had gone out. They said, okay, explore the Riva city. I said, yeah, all explore. I cannot explore it. And then they were seeing all the possibility. So they just happened to speak to one policeman. He said, हाँ बैरिकेड तो लगाया है, बैरिकेड्स आर put, but 12 बजे के बाद खोलेंगे. In the night, midnight, after 12 o'clock, they're going to open the barricade. I said, okay, then that's a chance we should go at 1:30 then. Because already people would be waiting, right? So counting that, we thought we are going then. Then this all we are coming to know at 11:30. Now 1:30 we are ready to go. And we did exactly like that. We went 1:30, 2 o'clock. You wouldn't believe, like a butter, we just sailed into those 100 kilometers and we were thinking, where is the barricade? Where is the. So we are expecting, because our past experience of that 6 hour traffic wait. So we are expecting that now the traffic will strike us. Now the traffic will strike us. Nowhere. I've taken a video where we are entering the Prayagraj city. Nobody is there in front. I said, where the people have gone? We are seeing people are walking, but we are not stuck into traffic. And our vehicle is going on, going on, going on. Till now, 1 kilometer away. So people said they have to walk 20 kilometers, you have to pull your luggage and what, nothing like that. And the parking was this automated cashless entry. We got one coupon. If we scan the code on that, we can locate our car if we are, because it's so vast and it's so advanced. Some tukda barren land, we can say, but the facility done on that because nothing was there. So we get this kind of a code where we have parked the car. There was ample parking space. There was no fighting for that. There were so many cars. So somebody had told the officer had said in an hour 27,000 cars are passing this in 1 hour. And this one highway and this one toll booth. And he said there are 6 highways such that are leading to Prayagraj. So per hour it's like that, and it is continuously going 24. So we are thinking, but we entered so smoothly in the city. There's nobody have taken a video of that. We get into so close to that 1 kilometer only we have to walk. We get a parking space such with such high tech, nothing a barren hand, and not some hi-fi this, but they have constructed all that. You get a coupon, you get a code, you can locate your car, you can identify that, you can do what all with that. And we had to walk only 1 kilometer. And we just happily went in, happily we walked 1 kilometer. Now, there comes another second horror. And we had to get into the boat, and the boat is going to take us to the Triveni. Okay. And we got into the boat. Then that day, our president was going to visit. So they said, you have to be in the boat. We don't know when. 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, they will leave you. So now it's blazing hot. It's not like and we are sitting, and some 50, 60 boat people are hiring boats and sitting because ready to go, because when she goes, then we all have to, because there's going to be a rush and all that stampede thing and all. Everybody has that in the mind. So we all sat in the boat in the sun 3 hours. After 3 hours, this police on the boat police is there, no? They come with the mic announcing in the river, no more boat seva, no more Triveni, no boat will, you go back. Got so upset that what are you telling now? And it's already 12:15. From morning we are waiting 3-4 hours now, and we are not again. No, and they are not giving any reason. 12:15 they said you have to go back. Triveni Sangam, it's no boat will be allowed for the rest of the day. So if they would have said till 4 o'clock it's not there, or 3 o'clock or whatever, no, they said rest of the day. Then I went Facebook Live, pouring out all my anger, because you finally reached there. You are seeing the Sangam 100 meters away. This boat, you are seeing all with your eyes over there, and you have already waited. And they said no, it is not going to. Then we made lot of noise. We shouted. We gave cries of this is not right and this and that. Nothing worked. Then I made and I tagged video to Modi, Yogi, Murmu. Then what is this? Everybody I have tagged. Everybody I have complained. I went and screamed on Republic also that this is what this is. That and Republic people got on me, criticizing me, thinking that I'm some anti-Modi and criticizing. I said, no, this is the ground reality. So the both people said, so now for that day, they won't get any of the income. This is one part. And this they had done before also. So I said, if at least both people were told that because of this protocol, we do not know when she's going to come and go or whatever they had to say. So today, you don't load any people. Then we would have had our 3-4 hours to uh, go to some other uh, place, if not on that particular, and we could have explored the Mahakumbh very easily. So that didn't work. All the more dejected. I said we smoothly came in to hear this and that and all dejection, all something and all happened. Whatever was went out, everything went out. There was no samatva buddhi at all, nothing. Because you've done so much and you've reached the venue, you see it over there in your naked eyes. You don't have to, that you have to just go over there. It is only a 5 minutes thing. Nothing was happening. Then after full dejection came, it was still blazing hot. We had to walk about 1.5 kilometer, one more, additional. And we could take bath in Ganga Jamuna Sangam. So Triveni Sangam is Ganga Jamuna Saraswati. So Saraswati is in an invisible form at that Sangam. And anyway, when you reach at that Sangam, you have to invoke her mentally and then So now at this Sangam, and you wouldn't believe how many times you want to take. You can take dip. How long you want to take, you can take dip. There is nobody climbing on you. There is nobody pushing you. It was, I just can't explain that experience. No rush, nothing. Peace. People are there. People are coming and going. Tens and thousands are taking bath and going. But when you are into your space, there is nobody into that space. You are not touching also anybody and going. Nobody is asking, chalo jaldi karo, bus ho, nothing. There is no, everybody is having space. Everybody is at their own speed and this. No, you got, means that I can't explain that how that magic happened. So till night before we are ready to go back. Next day we are sailing in smooth. Next day you see over there you can't go. Next moment you are able to do it as long as you want, how much you want. And then some of you had given me your family names and nakshatra. I did it for all of those who had given. And those who had not given, don't worry. I've taken all our class names and also done for the class. And also for, because that much peace, it was, um, you could just do it. You can think and think and think and do it. So those moments, I just can't explain. Like, how Lord has blessed that, and He gave that space. Probably at Triveni, it might be this 50 boats going loaded with so many people. It may not have been the way, probably, because of what we see on the. This was super. I don't know. And okay, now it's enough for you. Then you can come out. You know, it was like that. That you could just come out. Arrangements were superb. Nobody is ogling at anybody. Nobody is pushing, means the Hindu discipline, which I should say. Okay, what people generally we will see in a crowded bus or a train or even airport, you don't see that over there. You don't see that. Ample, ample space, ample discipline, services, the food over there, the police, and police are cheerful. I said, यहाँ से कहाँ जा सकते हैं अभी ऐसे क्यों किया? What now? You just go down. You will, so consoling police. Not only that, public toilet. Would you dare to go in India? Come on, even in a mall to go, we will think 10 times. In India, I'm talking. Okay, there 100,000, 1,10,000 more than 100,000 toilets. Okay, those temporary portable, like what we see in Singapore for those constructions when it's happening on the roadside, you see those blue toilets, right? Would we dare to go in those? Would we even touch the door? You wouldn't believe I dared. To the surprise, they clean it. It was not even stinky. And the the staff, the cleaning staff, they sit with the pipe and they do it thoroughly out over there before and after. Shocking. Means to this extent, that arrangement for how many crores, it's how many countries plus population it is. And so many people are coming, taking bath and going that. Then one of the boatmen said, ये रात को machine चलाते हैं. And they collect in all the whatever like we can offer in Ganga water. They clean the river every night. All the offerings are removed, so you don't see any garbage over there. I didn't see it are offered or diyas are offered. Everything is so mind blowing. It is still 5 more days. Anybody is changing mind and possible to go, literally go and come. It's if possible, it should, because one must experience that how well it is managed. And then when you get that dip, what you feel is you cannot explain. I can say up to that point, but after that, what has happened, I'm not able to say. there is something that is happening. We've never experienced this before. It's not in a darshan of your Guruvayurappa when you stand in Guruvayur and you see for that half a second. It's not that. It's you can just say this is not it, that is not it. But what it happened, I just can't say. Anyways, you all were in my thoughts, and I don't know how many dips I took. And it is said that 1/8 of Kumbh benefit you, and the rest would come to me, the one who takes the dip. But you get from wherever you are, you get 1/8 of that punya of having Mahakumbh dip. So, and those who are not able to, in fact, under your shower, wherever you are, also you can invoke and mentally, like how we do a Manas Puja, like that also, if you mentally reach also and take it tomorrow morning, because all these are good times. And just today I was reading on 28, all the 7 planets are going to align and are visible. So this planet, it's according to the planetary position. So each one of you who are not able to come for various reasons, also from where you are, by Manas, if you think and do and take your shower, you will still get that punya. That is the glory of how our Shastras explain and get it done, that somehow by mind at least you align to the process, that whole thing is happening. So this is all. I think we should stop and start, because I can give all the here and there descriptions, but actually what happened that time, it is not coming out. So I'm stuck at that. Thank you everyone for listening. Shall we get into the class? Okay, let us get into the session then. My God. Who is coming first? I'll not see any hand raise or anything. Maybe I should call out names and then do it. Or Rajeshwari Ma, you could start with we'll start with the 16th chapter. I hope we have time. Okay. We'll intend to complete it. I am seeing the time now. Only it's 7:05 already. Half an hour I spoke. ॐ अथ षोडशोऽध्यायः
ॐ अथ षोडशोऽध्यायः
सूत उवाच
सूत उवाच
ततः परीक्षे द्विजवर्य शिक्षया
ततः परीक्षिद्विजवर्य शिक्षया
महीं महाभागवतः शशासः
महीं महाभागवतः शशासः
यथा हि सूत्यामभिजातकोविदाः
यथा हि सूत्यामभिजातकोविदाः
समादिशन् विप्रमहद्गुणस्तथा
समादिशन् विप्रमहद्गुणस्तथा
स उत्तरस्य तनयाम्
सौत्तरस्य तनयाम्
उपयेम इरावतीम्
उपयेम इरावतीम्
करेक्ट दीर्घ जनमे जयादि चतुरः जनमे जयादींश्च चतुरः
जनमे जयान्दिश्चतुरः
जनमे जयादींश्चतुरः
जनमे जयान्दिश्चतुरः
Jayan, you're giving anuswar on ya. Jayan is not the Jaya Divsh Chaturaha.
जनमे जयादिंश्चतुरः
तस्यामुत्पादयत् सुतान्.
सस्यामुत्पादयत् सुतान्
So sir will not be there. Tasyamutpadayat sutan.
Okay. तस्यामुत्पादयत् सुतान्
आजहाराश्वमेधां स्त्रीन्
आजहाराश्वमेधां स्त्रीन्
गंगायां भूरि दक्षिणान्
गंगायां भूरि दक्षिणान्
शारद्वतं गुरुं कृत्वा
शारद्वतं गुरुं कृत्वा
देवायत्राक्षिगोचराः
देवायत्राक्षिगोचराः
निजग्राहौजसा वीरः
इजग्राहौजसा वीरः
कलिन्दिग्विजये क्वचित्
कलिन्दिग्विजये क्वचित्
नृपलिङ्गधरं शूद्रम्
नृपलिङ्गधरं शूद्रम्
घ्रन्तङ्गो मिथुनं पदा
घ्रन्तङ्गो मिथुनं पदा. Shall I start it from the beginning?
Yes, yes, please.
ॐ अथ षोडशोऽध्यायः. सूत उवाच ततः परीक्षिद्विजवर्य शिक्षया महीं भागवतं शशानः. यथा हि सूत्यामभिजातकोविदाः समादिशन् विप्रमहुद्गणस्तथा स उत्तरस्य तनयाम् उपयेम इरावतीम् जनमेजयादीश्चतुरम् तस्यामुत्पादयत्सुतान् आजहाराश्वमेधां स्त्रीन् गंगायां भूरि दक्षिणान् शारद्वतं गुरुं कृत्वा देवायत्राक्षिगोचराः निजग्राहौजसा वीरः कलिन्दिग्विजये क्वचित् नृपलिङ्गधरं शूद्रं घ्रन्तङ्गो मिथुनं पदा.
Great. Great. My laptop is settled. So in this time, that also happened. Automatically it has happened. So after the accent, so in the initial part of your chanting, I didn't hear because all this was happening, but I'm very sure you must have read it perfectly only as always.
You want me to
After
read again?
No, that's fine. We'll complete the chapter. After
Okay.
the ascent of the Pandavas to heaven, King Parikshit, who was a great devotee of the Lord, ruled over the earth according to the instructions of the foremost Brahmanas. He possessed, O Shaunaka, the same noble virtues as had been predicted by expert astrologers at the time of his birth. He married Iravati, the daughter of Uttara, his own maternal uncle, and begot through her 4 sons, Janamejaya and others. Taking Krupa, the son of Sharadvan, of his guru guide, he performed on the bank of Ganga 3 Ashwamedhas, offering liberal sacrificial feasts to the officiating priests. In these sacrifices, the gods accepted the offerings before the eyes of all. Somewhere in the course of his conquest of the world, the hero caught and subdued by his superior might the spirit of Kali age, who in the form of Shudra was disguised as a prince, striking with his foot a cow and a bull. सूत उवाच ततः परीक्षेद्विजवर्य शिक्षया महीं महाभागवतः शशासः यथा हि सूत्यामभिजातकोविदाः समादिशन् विप्रमहद्गुणस्तथा स उत्तरस्य तनयाम् उपयेम इरावतीम् जनमेजयादींश्चतुरः तस्यामुत्पादयत्सुतान् आजहाराश्वमेधां स्त्रीन् गंगायां भूरि दक्षिणान् शारद्वतं गुरुं कृत्वा देवायत्राक्षिगोचराः निजग्राहौजसा वीरः कलिन्दिग्विजये क्वचित्
नृपलिङ्गधरं शूद्रं घ्नन्तं गोमिथुनं पदा. Anybody wants to volunteer, please raise your hands. I'll continue with Rajeshwari ji and then take in volunteers because now the laptop is ready. I should be able to see the raised hands and all. Please continue. Shaunaka uvacha
शौनक उवाच
kasya hetornijagraha
कस्य हेतोर्निजग्राह
kalindigvijaye nrupaha
कलिन्दिग्विजये नृपः
हृदेव चिह्नधृक्षूद्रहा
हृदेव चिह्नदृक्शूद्रः
कोऽसौ गायः पदाहनत्
कोऽसौ गायः पदाहनत्
गायः पदाहनत्
गा- कोऽसौ गायः पदाहनत्
करेक्ट तत्कथ्यतां महाभाग
तत्कथ्यतां महाभाग
यदि कृष्णकथाश्रयम्
यदि कृष्णकथाश्रयम्
अथवास्य पदां भोजं मकरन्दलिहांसताम्
अथवा सपदां भोजमकरन्दलिहांसताम्
किमन्यैरसदालापैः
किमन्यैरसदालापैः
आयुषो यदसद्व्ययः
आयुषो यदसद्वयः
करेक्ट शूद्रायुषां नृणामङ्ग
क्षुद्रायुषां नृणामङ्ग
मर्त्यानामृतमिच्छताम्
मर्त्यानामृतमिच्छताम्
इहोपहूतो भगवान्
इहोपहूतो भगवान्
मृत्युशामित्रकर्मणि
मृत्युः सामित्रकर्मणि
न कश्चिन्म्रियते तावत्
न कश्चिन्म्रियते तावा
यावदास्तैहान्तकः
यावदांस्तहिहान्तकः
There is no anuspara in yavada. Yavadasta ihantakah.
यावदास्तहिहान्तकः
एतदर्थौ हि भगवान्
एतदर्थं हि भगवान्
आहूतः परमर्षिभिः
आहूतः परमर्षिभिः
अहो नृलोके पीयेत
अहो नृलोके पीयेत
हरिलील the other tune, sorry. अहो नृलोके पीयेत
अहो नृलोके पीयेत
हरिलीलामृतं वचः
हरिलीलामृतं वचः
लीलाम okay लीलामृतम्
हरिलीलामृतं वचः
मन्दस्य मन्दप्रज्ञस्य
मन्दस्य मन्दप्रज्ञस्य
वयो मन्दायुषश्च वै
वयो मन्दायुषश्च वै
निद्रया ह्रियते नक्तम्
निद्रया ह्रियते नक्तम्
दिवा च व्यर्थकर्मभिः
दिवा च व्यर्थकर्मभिः
Go ahead.
शौनक उवाच कस्य हेतुर्निजग्राह कलिन्दिग्विजये नृपः हृदेव चिह्नदुःशूद्रः कोऽसौ गायः पदाहनत् तत्कथ्यतां महाभाग यदि कृष्णकथाश्रयम् अथवास्य पदाम्भोज
You have that tapyatam or gachatam. What do you have?
where
The line which you read now.
तत्कथ्यतां
Okay.
तत्कथ्यतां महाभाग यदि कृष्णकथाश्रयम् अथवास्य पदाम्भोजमकरन्दलिहांसताम् किमन्यैरसदालापैः आयुषो यदस्वद्वयः क्षुद्रायुषां नृणामङ्ग मर्त्यानामृतमिच्छताम् इहोपहूतो भगवान् मृत्युस्सामित्रकर्मणि न कश्चिन्म्रियते तावः यावदस्ताइहान्तकः एतदद्धं हि भगवान् आहुतः परमर्षिभिः अहो नृलेखेऽपि एत हरिलीलामृतं वचः मन्दस्य मन्दप्रज्ञस्य वयो मन्दायुषश्च वै निद्रया ह्रियते नक्तं निवाच व्यर्थकर्मभिः.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you. Shaunaka said, why did the king merely subdue the spirit of the Kali age in the course of his conquest instead of killing him outright and thus ridding humanity of his evil influence once for all? For, though disguised as a prince, he was after all a wild Shudra who took it into his head to strike a cow and a bull with his foot. Therefore, O Blessed One, tell me all that, if it is connected with the story of Sri Krishna or with that of saints who taste the honey flowing from his lotus feet are devoted to him. Of what avail are other idle discourses in which life is wantonly spent? For the good of mortal men, though short-lived, are yet eager to realize the truth. The all-powerful god of death has been invited here to perform propitiatory rites. Nobody will die so long as the god of death is here. That all-powerful god has been invited by the great sages so that even in this mortal world, people may get to hear and enjoy the ambrosial discourses depicting the sports of Sri Hari. The lifespan of the unfortunate men of this world, who are dull of understanding and short-lived too, is frittered away in sleep by night and in frivolous pursuits by day. And underline that night. How we spend our day and night. My God. शौनक उवाच कस्य हेतोर्निजग्राह कलिन्दिग्विजये नृपः हृदेव चिन्नधृच्छूद्रः कोऽसौ गायः पदाहनत् तत्कथ्यता महाभाग यदि कृष्णकथाश्रयम् अथवास्य पदाम्भोजमकरन्दलिहां सताम् किमन्यैरसदालापैः आयुषो यत्सदव्ययः क्षुद्रायुषानृणामङ्ग मर्त्यानामृतमिच्छता इहोपहूतो भगवान् मृत्युशामित्रकर्मणि न कश्चिन्म्रियते तावत् यावदास्तैहान्तकः एतदर्थं हि भगवान् आहूतः परमर्षिभिः अहो नृलोके पीयेत हरिलीलामृतं वचः वन्दस्य मन्दप्रज्ञस्य वयो मन्दायुषश्च वै निद्रया ह्रियते नक्तं विवाच व्यर्थकर्मभिः. विद्याजी. सूत उवाच यदा परीक्षित् कुरुजाङ्गले वसत् परीक्षित कलिं प्रविष्टं निज चक्रवर्तिते निशम्य वार्तां मनति प्रियान्ततः शरासनं संयुग शौण्डिराददे स्वलङ्कृतं श्यामतुरङ्गयोजितं रथं मृगेन्द्रध्वजमाश्रितः पुरा
रथं मृगेन्द्रध्वजमाश्रितः पुरात्
वृतो रथाश्वद्विपपत्तियुक्तया
वृतो यथाश्वद् विपपत्तियुक्तया
वृतो रथाश्वद्विपपत्तियुक्तया
वृतो रथाश्वद् विप वृतो रथाश्वद्विपपत्तियुक्तया
स्वसेनया दिग्विजयाय निर्गतः
स्वसेनया दिग्विजयाय निर्गतः
भद्राश्वं केतुमालञ्च
भद्राश्वं केतुमालं च I don't have a ch.
What is the word after you have after Ketumala?
भद्राश्वं केतुमालं भारतं चोत्तरान् कुरून्.
Oh, ch is not there. So in my book there is one ch.
Okay,
So
so I
provided.
put a ch over
1,
there.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, ch will only complete the Anushtup Chandas.
Okay, I'll just
Bhadrashvam Ketumalancha
भद्राश्वं केतुमालं च
Bharatan Chottaran Kurun
भारतं चोत्तरान् कुरून्.
Kim Purushadini Varshani
किं पुरुषादीनि वर्षाणि
Vijitya Jagrihe Balim
विजित्र जगृहे बलिम्
Vijitya
विजित्य जगृहे बलिम्
Tatra Tatropashrinvanaha
तत्र तत्रोपशृण्वानः
Svapurvesham Mahatmana
स्वपूर्वेषां महात्मनां
Pragiyamarancha Yashaha
प्रगीयमानं च यशः
Krishna Mahatmya Suchakam
कृष्णमाहात्म्यसूचकम्
Atmanancha Paritratam
आत्मानं च परित्रातम्
Ashvattham no stra not sra stra Ashvattham no stra tejasaha
अश्वत्थाम्नोऽस्त्र तेजसः
Nehancha Vrishniparthanam
स्नेहं च वृष्णिपार्थानां
Tesham Bhaktin cha Keshave
तेषां भक्तिं च केशवे
Tebhyah Paramasantushtaha
तेभ्यः परमः सन्तुष्टः
Prityujrumbhitalochanaha
प्रत्युज्जृम्भित प्रीत्युज्जृम्भितलोचनः
Mahadhanani vasamsi
महाधनानि वासांसि
Dadau haran mahamanaha
ददौ हारान् महामनाः
Sarathya parshada sevana sakhya dautya virasananugamana stavana pranaman. So you can see her. Sarathya
सारथ्य पार्षद संसेवनख्यदौत्य वीरासनानु
trying to break. No, can you wait? I'm just telling you how to break. Sarathya parashada sevana sakhya dautya virasananu gamana stavana pranaman. So you can bluff, and now you can say Sarathya parashada sevana sakhya dautya virasananu stavana pranaman.
सारथ्य पार्षद सेवन सख्य दौत्य वीरासनानुगमनस्तवन प्रणामान
Pranaman.
प्रणामान
There. स्निग्धेषु पाण्डुषु जगत्प्रणतिं च विष्णोः
स्निग्धेषु पाण्डुषु जगतः प्रणतिं च
जगत्तानो
विष्णोः
जगत्प्रणति स्निग्धेषु
स्निग्धेषु
पाण्डुषु जगत्प्रणतिं च विष्णोः
स्निग्धेषु पाण्डुषु जगत्प्रणतिं च विष्णोः भक्तिं करोति
भक्तिं करोति no भक्तिं करोति नृपतिश्चरणारविन्दे
भक्तिं करोति नृपतिश्वरनारविन्दे
नृपतिश्चरणार
नृपतिश्चरणारविन्दे
तस्यैवं वर्तमानस्य
तस्यैवं वर्तमानस्य
पूर्वेषां वृत्तिमन्वहम्
पूर्वेषां वृत्तिमन्वहम्
नातिदूरे किलाश्चर्यम्
नातिदूरे किलाश्चर्यम्
यदासीत्तन्निबोध मे
यदासीत् तन्निबोध मे
धर्मः पदैकेन चरन्
धर्मः पदैकेन चरन्
विच्छायामुपलभ्यगाम्
विच्छायामुपलभ्य गाम्
पृच्छति स्माश्रुवदनाम्
पृच्छति स्माश्रुवदनाम्
विवत्सामिव मातरम्
विवत्सामिव मातरम् सूत उवाच यदा परीक्षित् कुरुचाङ्गले वसत् कलिं प्रविष्टं निजचक्रवर्तिते निशम्य वार्तामनतिप्रियान्ततः शरासनौ संयुग शौण्डिराददे स्वलङ्कृतं श्यामतुरङ्गयोजितं रथं मृगेन्द्रध्वजमाश्रितः पुरात् वृतो रथाश्वद्विपपत्तियुक्तया स्वसेनया विजयाय निर्गतः भद्राश्चं केतुमालञ्च भारतं चोत्तरान्
over there Bhadrashva is there.
I have Bhadrashvam. Okay. Bhadrashvam ketumalanch bharatan chottaran kurun kim purusha dini varshani
Kim Purusha Puru is short. Kim Purushadini
kim purushadini varshani vijitya jagruhe balim तत्र तत्रोपशृण्वानः स्वपूर्वेषां महात्मनां प्रगीयमानं च यशः कृष्णमाहात्म्यसूचकम् आत्मानं च परित्रातम् अश्वत्थं नोस्त्र तेजसः
what's that? Atmanan cha paritratam अश्वत्थाम्नोऽस्त्र तेजसः
आत्मानं च परित्रातम् नोस्त्र तेजसः स्नेहं च वृष्णिपार्थानां तेषां भक्तिं च केशवे तेभ्यः परमसन्तुष्टः प्रीत्युजृम्भितलोचनः महाधनानि वासांसि ददौ हारान् महामनाः सेवन सख्य दौत्य विरासनानु
सारथ्य पार्षद सेवन सख्य दौत्य वीरासनानुगमनस्तवन प्रणामान्।
सारथ्य पार्षद सेवन सख्य दौत्य वीरासनानुगमनस्तवन प्राणमान्। स्निग्धेषु पाण्डुषु जगत् प्रणतिं च
Why like that? स्निग्धेषु पाण्डुषु जगत्प्रणतिं च विष्णोः।
स्निग्धेषु पाण्डुषु जगत्प्रणतिं च विष्णोः। भक्तिं करोति नृपतिश्चरणारविन्दे। तस्यैवं वर्तमानस्य पूर्वेषां वृत्तिमन्वहम्। नातिदूरे किलाश्चर्यम् यदासीत् तन्निबोध मे।
दीर्घ
सीत् तन्निबोध मे धर्मः पदैकेन चरन् विच्छायामुपलभ्यगाम्। पृच्छति स्माश्रुवदना विवत्सामिव मातरम्।
Yadasit, in that the word is asit, so you can't start from seat. Okay. Suta said, while Parikshit was living in Kuru Jangala country, he heard the unpalatable news that Kali had entered the territories protected by his army, and accordingly took his bow, fond of war as he was. Mounting his well-decorated car, driven by dark horses and bearing an ensign with the device of a lion, he sallied forth from his capital for the conquest of the world. Surrounded by his own army consisting of chariots and elephants, horse and foot. Having conquered Bharadashva, Ketumala, Bharata, the northern Kurus, Kim Purusha and other countries, he levied tribute from them. Everywhere he heard people sing the praises of his high soul forebears, the Pandavas, revealing at the same time the glory of Krishna. He also heard the story of his own deliverance at the hands of Sri Krishna from the fire of the missile discharged by Ashwathama, the son of Drona, as well as of the cordial relations existing between the Vrishnis and the sons of Prithvi, and of the latter's devotion to Lord Krishna. Highly pleased with them, those who sang these stories, the noble-minded emperor bestowed on them costly garments and necklaces, his eyes wide open with joy. Hearing how Lord Vishnu, Shri Krishna, had played the role of charioteer to Arjuna, attended the councils of the Pandavas, waited upon them, played the friend and ambassador, kept watch outside their camp at night in the pose of a warrior, followed them as a waiter, eulogized Yudhishthira and bowed to him, not only himself, but caused the whole world to bow at the feet of his beloved Pandavas, made them worthy of adoration for the whole world. The emperor, Parikshit, developed devotion to his lotus feet. As he was thus following in the footsteps of his forefathers from day to day in the course of his conquest of the world, a strange incident occurred not very far from his territorial limits. Hear of it from me. Hoofing about on one foot in the form of a bull, Dharma, the god of virtue, saw Mother Earth in the form of cow, shone of a luster, and bathing her cheeks in tears like a mother that has lost her child, and inquired of her as follows. Suta uvacha yada parikshit kurujangale vasat kalim pravishtam vija chakravartite nishamya vartamanatipriyam tatah sharasa shaundiradade ashwadvipapatti-yuktaya swase जयाय निर्गतः भद्राश्वं केतुमालं च भारतं चोत्तरान् कुरुन् किं पुरुषादीनि वर्षाणि विजित्य जगृहे बलिं तत्र तत्रोपशृण्वानः स्वपूर्वेषां महात्मनां प्रगीयमानं च यशः कृष्णमाहात्म्यसूचकम् आत्मानं च परित्रातम् अश्वत्थाम्नोऽस्त्र तेजसः स्वेहं च वृष्णिपार्थानां तेषां भक्तिं च केशवे तेभ्यः परमसन्तुष्टः प्रीत्युज्जृम्भितलोचनः महाधनानि वासांसि ददौ हारान् महामनाः सारथ्यपार्षदसेवनसख्यदौत्य वीरासनानुगमनस्तवन प्रणामान् स्निग्धेषु पाण्डुषु जगत्प्रणतिं च विष्णोः भक्तिं करोति नृपतिश्चरणारविन्दे तस्यैवं वर्तमानस्य पूर्वेषां वृत्तिमन्वहं नातिदूरे किलाश्चर्यं यदासीत् तन्निबोध मे धर्मः पदैकेन चरन् विच्छायामुपलभ्य गां पृच्छति स्माश्रुवदनां विवत्सामिव मातरम्. I think we can stop over here because now he's going to question and we can continue next week. Next week again I'm traveling actually. My train is in the night, only for first and second. There is a wedding to be attended, and I have not attended any family wedding for past 20 years plus. Last wedding was attended in 1999. We took a count at whose wedding I attended in family. So that was in 1999. So I'll have to attend this out of force that, okay, you are not in the clinic, so what reason are you giving? So I have to somehow go because I don't attend any weddings or gatherings, but this somehow I'll have to. The train is in the night. I'll confirm the time that I have enough time before I catch the train. So it's going to finish around this time and I'll put it in the group. And on first and second, we don't have any session. Third afternoon I'm reaching. So third is a Monday. So Narayaniam session will happen anyways. Sunday sessions will not happen. And Friday to happen or not, I'll just check the time once and we'll stop over here. And what Dharma has to ask, let's see.
Vashaji, smart doubt, Vashaji.
Yes.
Sutta Uvacha, the first line, it ends with Shrunot in my book, but I think it is something else, right?
Which, can you tell me?
Verse 10, Yada parikshit kuru jangalo shrunot. It is Shrunot, but I heard it as something else.
Vasat.
Vasat.
Kuru Jangale Vasat.
Ah.
Avasat is living.
Okay, then Shrunot.
Who else is having that word?
My
Verse
book
number
also is Shrunot. Shrunot.
10. No. Anybody else with Vasat? Jangale Vasat. Kuru Jangale Vasat, living in Kuru Jangala country.
I have Vasat.
Kurujangale Vasan.
Vasat.
Okay. Vasat, Vasan, with the Sandhi it will. Anybody else? Vasat only, right? So you please all change that. Kuru Jangale Vasat. So Jangale Avagraha and then Vasat. Means Avasat.
Thank you.
And so next week we will have Nikhila ji, Vani and Anupama to start the chanting. Today your hands were raised. I'm noticing it, but it would be nice instead of rushing through it. So we wait over here because we won't be able to complete the chapter anyways. Doesn't matter. Ambitious, we spoke a little bit or no. That's how Lord probably decided. So let's stop for today. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu Sada Sarvatra Govinda Rama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining. See
Thank
you all
you.
next time.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank
So
you, Varsha ji.
lovely to see
Thank
you
you.
again.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you, Varshaji,
Thank you for taking us through
elaborating
this
about,
journey.
yes.
Thank you.
Yes, and thank you for
Yeah,
taking
it was
us
so
through
nice.
Kumbh.
And thank you for, yes, thank you for taking our names in your dips. Thank you very much.
It was all miracle only, as if it's not happening and then it's happening, and as if it's impossible to happen and then it's happening easily. That combination and what is happening, it was not in the control at all. So that's something to experience.
Thank you very much, Varsha ji.
Thank you.
Thank you,
very much.
Varsha.
Thank you.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Shubharatri.
Shubharatri.
Thank you, Varshaji. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari-
Thank you.
Hari-
Varsha, I'm traveling for 3 weeks. I'm also going for 4 weddings, 3 or 4 weddings. And I'll be away from the 28th to the 15th of March. So I'll be missing out on 3 classes.
And in between, Attukala Pongala is coming on 13th. So 12th, 13th, 14th also I will be traveling. So
Okay.
you might not miss so
I'll
many.
miss probably then 1 class, the
Fine.
8th one.
Which
Yeah.
is-
Yeah.
Okay. That's
Okay.
it.
Thank you.
See you. Hari Om.
Hari
Hari
Om.
Om. Sister. Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.